Hey everyone, today I bought a toaster oven from Walmart. It was on sale for $27 and it'll be replacing my toaster, and I'll show you my unboxing video of it. Okay, so that's the box and I'll take it out, see what we have. Okay, so I took it out of the box and this is what we have. We have the toaster itself. It's pretty tiny. We have this metal sheet, probably goes in there. We have a rack. Yeah, also goes in there. And I think this is for the bottom plate. Like for the bottom here. And finally we have the instruction guide. Yeah, so I'll quickly put it together and see how it is. Okay, so this is the side-by-side comparison. A standard toaster oven and a toast or toaster for the bread. If we go closer here, oops, Hamilton Beach. We have the temperature setting here. We have the functions. We have toast, bake, and broil. And I think this is a timer. Yeah, it's a timer. I believe the timer goes up to 30 minutes. And we have a light. Yeah, let's open it again and see how it is. This is the bottom tray, the rack. Oops. For a size comparison, I'll just put my hand through it. Yeah. You can put in like three or something, three or four slices of toast, I believe. It's a really small one. I got it from Walmart, $27. It was on clearance. Yeah, it was pretty nice. In the future videos, I'll make videos on what I make with it, what I try to attempt to make with and whatnot. Yeah.